The Pluri tube bursting strength tester is a precision instrument used to measure the maximum internal pressure a Pluri tube multi-channel tubing can withstand before failure or rupture. It is a critical instrument used in the battery manufacturing industry, particularly for tubular batteries and power storage batteries, used in battery plate support systems to ensure durability, performance, and safety under operating pressure. Applicable standards for tubular and power storage battery. For more information on testing procedures or equipment recommendations, please contact us.